Kapoor is one such sexy actress who never disappoints her fans. It may be her beautiful fashion sense or her beautiful photo shoot. She looks brilliant in her shoots. Though she is yet to make an impact from her films, she certainly pleases her fans with nice pictures always. Just now she was in Cannes and she got rave reviews for her impeccable fashion sense. Recently she did a photo shoot for the high-end magazine Prestige. Sonam Kapoor is declared as an all-time fashionista by many style pundits. Her recent streamy photo shoots proved it on the cover of the June 2014 issue of Prestige magazine. Now this photo shoot proves that Sonam is trying hard to be in headlines. Well, it's good for her as well as for her career too.